If you ever try to line up a fade, check your curls from the back, or do your own retie on your locks, you know the struggle of not being able to see what you're doing. This mirror, it solves that problem completely. It gives you a full 360 view so you can finally see every angle of your head without the guesswork. Whether you're shaving, styling, trimming, or just trying to make sure the back of your hair is giving what it's supposed to give, this mirror makes it easy. The HD glass is super clear, and the reinforced hinges make it feel sturdy without being bulky. It's lightweight and it folds up nicely, which makes it perfect for traveling, or just for storing away when you're not using it. You can hang it on a door like I do, and it adjusts like to the perfect height so you're not hunched over. It really does make your at-home grooming routine feel a lot more professional. And I will say this, I do wish I had gone with the LED option. If you do your hair or makeup in low light, that little upgrade is probably worth it. Just something to keep in mind if you're comparing versions. But all in all, this is one of those smart, everyday tools that you don't realize you need until you have it.